Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream On guitar. Start by understanding the main riff, which is originally a piano part. We'll adapt it to guitar using arpeggiated chords in F minor. Begin with an F minor chord, then move to a flat major, G minor, and C major. Pay close attention to the fingerpicking pattern, ensuring each note rings out clearly. A clean tone with a hint of reverb will help capture the song's signature sound. Now let's tackle the verse sections. The primary chords are F minor, E flat major, D flat major, and C major. For the strumming, use a light down-up pattern, emphasizing the root notes. The key here is smooth transitions between chords, allowing each one to resonate fully. Keep your tempo steady, creating a solid foundation for the vocals. The pre-chorus builds tension before the powerful chorus. It typically involves chords like B flat minor and E flat major. When you hit the chorus, switch to a more robust strumming pattern, using chords such as F minor, a flat major, and C major. This dynamic shift is crucial for the song's emotional impact. Let the chorus chords ring out with conviction. Finally, let's look at the legendary guitar solo. It's primarily in the F minor pentatonic scale, with some bluesy bends and expressive vibrato. Practice the key licks slowly, focusing on pitch accuracy for your bends. The outro is a simple repetition of the main riff chords, gradually fading out. Remember to play with feeling throughout the entire song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.